She is a good friend. He is a smart student. I have a new phone. She likes reading books. She has 2 brothers. She is going to the park. We will eat dinner soon. It is raining outside. The dog is barking loudly. She is a talented singer. She works in an office. I love chocolate ice cream. We are watching a movie. The cat is on the mat. He can play the guitar. He is studying for the test. I need to buy some groceries. We went to the beach yesterday. She is wearing a red dress. He likes to play soccer. The sun is shining brightly. The stars are shining. I am feeling happy today. We have a meeting at 10 a.m. He cooked a delicious meal. He is reading a newspaper. She is planning a trip. I enjoy listening to music. We took a walk in the park. She is learning to drive. He is a fast runner. The flowers are blooming. I need to finish my homework. We are having a party tonight. She likes drawing and painting. He is a great dancer. They are cleaning the house. I bought a new dress. We saw a beautiful sunset. She is feeling tired. The kids are playing outside. I have a lot of work to do. We are going shopping. They are building a sandcastle. I want to travel the world. We are learning English. He has a pet cat. She is writing a letter. The birds are singing. I need a vacation this summer. We are eating breakfast. She is a doctor. He enjoys hiking. They are playing chess. I am reading a book. We went to the zoo. She is baking cookies. He is fixing the car. The sky is clear today. I am studying for a test. We are visiting our grandparents. She is making a cake. He is watching TV. The children are sleeping. I like swimming in the sea. We are having lunch. She is painting a picture. He is doing his homework. The water is cold. I am writing a story. We are playing a game. She is going to the gym. He is listening to music. The cat is sleeping. I am learning to cook. We are having fun. He is taking a shower. He is riding a bike. The baby is crying. I like reading a book. We are going to the market. She is studying maths. He is playing the piano. The flowers are beautiful. I am drinking coffee. We are celebrating a birthday. She is shopping for clothes. He is swimming in the pool. The sun is setting. I am cleaning my room. We are decorating the house. She is practicing yoga. He is driving a car. The dog is running. I am feeling cold. We are taking photos. She is wearing a hat. He is planting a tree. The coffee is very hot. She is reading a magazine. He is washing the dishes. They are building the house. I am learning a new language. We are riding a bus. She is feeding the baby. He is painting the fence. The grass is green. I like playing basketball. We are attending a wedding. She is knitting a scarf. He is brushing his teeth. They are making a movie. I am writing a poem. We are listening to the radio. She is taking a nap. The snow is falling. They are watching the news. She is making a sandwich. They are flying a kite. She is talking on the phone. He is jogging in the park. I am organizing my desk. She is writing a report. She is practicing the violin. They are doing a puzzle. I am sending an email. We are painting the walls. She is doing the laundry. The baby is laughing. I am making a phone call. We are visiting a museum. She is playing with her doll. They are reading a textbook. They are preparing for a trip. I am having a snack. We are planting a garden. She is learning to sew. The moon is shining. I am writing in my diary. I actively use social media. I get up early in the morning. My mother reads me a story. I use computers very well. The milk is in the fridge. He is taking out the trash. I am cleaning the windows. She is having a barbecue. The car is in the garage. We are doing a science experiment. She is making a bed. She is packing their bags. I am ironing my clothes. She is washing her hair. He is fixing a broken chair. We are playing a board game. She is learning to skateboard. He is singing a song. We are baking bread. She is wearing sunglasses. He is reading a map. She is cleaning her shoes. They are running a race. I am watching a documentary. We are making popcorn. She is dusting the shelves. He donates to charity. We explore new places. He repairs bicycles. He enjoys fishing. He brews coffee every morning. We shop for groceries weekly. I balance my budget. He edits the video. They install the software. He vacuums the carpet. She files the documents. She sets the alarm. They discuss their book. He counts the money. I download music. We design websites. She braids her hair. They invest in stocks. They analyzes the data. We sing around the campfire. He climbs mountains. We discuss our ideas. They camp in the forest. They buy fresh fruits. She paints her nails. He supports his team. I follow the instructions. He schedules appointments. I print the documents. She saves money for a trip. She makes jewelry as a hobby.